I'll leave you with my favourite French phrase, which is "Ce n'est pas la mer à boire," which literally means it is not as if you have to drink the sea, meaning it isn't a big deal. Hi, my name is Nick and I'm from Wales. I spent a lot of time in France and I really wanted to make it a personal project of mine to learn the language, which I've been doing on and off over the course of the last 2 years. I started by using apps such as Duolingo, but quickly realised that this would not be enough to help me learn the level of language that I wanted to achieve in the time frame I'd set as a goal. After doing some research, I decided I needed to incorporate regular communication with a native speaker to help me achieve my goals, which is where Listen and Learn came in. Since using Listen and Learn and having weekly 1-hour lessons with my teacher Christoph, my language ability has gone from being able to count to 10 and knowing a few basic phrases to having regular conversations covering various topics. Having a native speaker to practice with really makes a huge difference, and Christoph has really been a fantastic teacher. If you're planning on learning a language and have been using applications and various other tools and are wondering how you can really accelerate your learning curve in your target language, I can't recommend Listen and Learn enough. It really makes a huge difference having a native speaker on the journey with you.